What is HDMI ARC and how does this work? ARC means Audio Return Channel. It's an HDMI feature from HDMI 1.4 standard and built in many TVs, AV receiver and soundbar. HDMI ARC uses a single HDMI connection to send the video for the TV to the soundbar and to AV receiver. It brings a lot of benefit for smart TV, which is creating the audio itself via app or like our SMTV series. It doesn't have audio out slot due to waterproof concern. So ARC how to get the sound from TV tuner or media player from USB stick. We are going to test the HDMI out on our TV, and here we prepare HDMI out device. We connect the out in by HDMI cable to our TV, and we also connect the external speaker here by mini jack. And have a look of our TV. We have two HDMI and one support HDMI out, and by HDMI cable to the HDMI device. And now we go into the TV menu. And here you can see HDMI CEC. And we set the HDMI CEC on, and we also need to set the HDMI out on. And then we play some video from the media player from USB stick. And now you can hear the sound is come from the speaker but not from the TV. It's maybe louder. Yeah, it's come from here. Yeah, this is good.